What if I told you that you could make $500 a day online? No experience, no qualifications, no skills, no Upwork, no Fiverr, no CV, no capital, just a smartphone and this website. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because I'm going to show you step by step how you can start today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I'm always sharing the best ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home. In today's video, we're diving into a method that requires zero experience, zero skills, and zero upfront costs. All you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a little bit of time. Now, the magic behind this method is a website that's completely beginner-friendly. This platform connects you with opportunities that anyone can do, no matter your background or where you're from. I'll reveal the website in just a minute, so stay tuned. Alright, here's how it works. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Welocalize. This website offers simple tasks like reviewing ads, answering surveys, or categorizing data. It's super easy to get started. Create your free account. No lengthy forms, no complicated verifications, just basic details, and you're in. Pick a task and start earning. The tasks are straightforward and can be done in a matter of minutes. You'll get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. Easy, right? To maximize your earnings, here are a few tips. Dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours daily. Focus on high-paying tasks first. Use multiple devices if possible to multitask. So what are you waiting for? Grab your smartphone, head to Welocalize, and start making money today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs extra cash. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.